Hi everyone, we are super excited to launch the custom design planners. In this video, we'll explain a little bit more on questions that people commonly ask about the custom designs. I have a separate video made that talks all about how to actually do the customization. I really recommend you to watch that video fully before you order your customized planner. Simply, in this way, you will not be disappointed because you fully understand how it works, what to do, and what to expect. Now, you may be, even the first time you come to this site, you maybe be overwhelmed, like, okay, what is option 1, option 2, option 3, what is the difference? So that's why I want to explain that in this video here. So we have different customizations you can do. Of course, you have the different sizes. So this is a B5 size planner. This is an A5 size planner. This is a B5, it's the same inside as this one. And this is an A5 size planner, it's also the same as this one inside. The only difference is the effects on the cover, and also if you're using deep emboss or a different new style, that's something you haven't seen before. And then we have another one that is having a lot of different kind of beautiful images that you can print on the PU leather, and it has a lot more options there. And you can do a deep emboss logo as normal. Now, some of you have been asking, before it was 45 days to produce your custom planner, and that's correct, it was 45 days before. Now we managed to optimize it to reduce it to around 7 days, 7 to 10 days you have to give us for customizing your planner. So this is an amazing speed because it's for each planner that got ordered, we have to separately make it differently. It's a one-on-one task, so that takes time, and then it does need to be shipped, so you have to choose your shipping option if you want it fast or a longer shipping. So okay, now the different designs. So this design by itself is actually the most common designs, as you know, if you have been ordering from us multiple years, so you know these designs. So they are deeply embossed, so if you customize them, you will have the deeply embossed designs as normal here. Now, please do be aware that it takes a little bit to load this module for you to build. That's normal. We cannot change that. So, and also we really recommend you to do this on the desktop, not on the phone. You can do it on the phone, but it is quite challenging, and I do not want you to be disappointed. I want you to make the design that's perfect for you. Remember, you're going to use this planner for a whole year for 2026, so you better want to create something really, really special, right? So here you can choose kind of your material. So these are all PU leathers, so they're all the same. The only difference between these ones and these ones is this one actually has a beautiful print on side of the PU leather. It's a black one, but it has a beautiful print. So here you can choose space, for example. So you can choose many different designs that are pre-made for you that you can select as your cover design. So now after that, you can choose your emboss. So for example, here you can use your space emboss as you've been maybe ordering many years, and you can then actually make a personalized message on it. So you can see how it kind of will look on the back and the front. Okay. And then you can basically customize, as I explained in the other message, on how to customize your message and your name here. So that's this planner. This planner has deep embossed for the logos and deep embossed for the text. Okay. So now let's go over the other designs and let's look what you can do with those. So this is another example. You probably have seen it in the list. So here you can see we have many different cover styles that you can choose from. They are all on PU leather, so they have the same feel as you are used to every single year. The only difference is they have all these different types of designs and effects that are printed, and it's done in a very beautiful way on top of the planner cover, okay? And then you see the black cover on the back as normal. So you have many different designs and styles that you can choose. Like I said, for the coming year, I think in 2026, we're going to have a lot more designs, and we're also going to ask more feedback on what kind of designs you would actually like. And we will improve the system year over year. But as you can see, we have quite a lot of things to pick, and I'm pretty sure you will find something that you like here, okay? So here what you can do is after you have this design picked, you can basically choose your logo that you want to emboss. This is going to be the same as always. Now this is rose gold, this is silver emboss, and this is gold emboss. Okay, that's kind of the different styles you can choose. Now next to that, of course, you can choose your siding. You can have rose gold siding, silver siding, or whatever siding you want, or no siding. So you can choose kind of how you want it to look. The bookmarks, now mostly we already kind of match the bookmarks with the design, but if you want something different, you just pick it and you can choose if you want to have a different one. That's perfectly fine. And then after you can customize your text. You can kind of here write down your message, for example. Let's say, I love my life. And then let's take here a font design that you like. And then you can put your name. And you can also choose the style you want. Here you can move the elements, so you can kind of move it wherever you want to move this. So if you want to move it here, you want to move this message here, you can all do that. So there is a lot of freedom in there. Now, this is going to be also nicely put on the color like you choose. So for example, if you put, this is silver, this is going to be rose gold, and this is going to be gold. So you can choose for each of these what color you like. Okay, so I'm going to go with silver. Yeah, that's kind of how it works. Now, please make sure that after you have done your design, that you double check if you like it. If you doubt, you just can go back to the planner here. You can say, okay, let me make it in this style, or maybe I will choose this one, or this one. This is also kind of nice. So you can pick any of these designs, and once you have put your logo and your text, you can kind of see how it would look with the other design styles. Now, some of them you will see they just have a black siding. Some will have more special effects. You just kind of have to go through them. We pay the designer to do that, so it's kind of, and it's also something we will improve more over time. So if there's anything you like on this, you can please reach out to us, and we can see what we can do. And we will do some service on this also. So say for example, okay, I like to go just with a nice simple space like this. You can do that, or this. And that's kind of how this one works. You add it to cart, make sure you're happy with the final thing, because it's going to be exactly the same. And then you check out, we start producing your planner, and you will receive it very fast in your mailbox. Well, we will reach out to you once we start shipping it, and then you can expect it dependable on the shipping time you have chosen. So now let's go over some other designs, because we still have one more that I want to show you. We went over this one, and this one. Now, what is type 2? Now, type 2 is a new style of embossment. So we are actually using a different effect. As you can see, it is not actually deep, it's more on top, like a glossy effect. Like you can see a nice, beautiful silver glossy effect on this design. And here you can have more videos, you can kind of see them and check them out for yourself for making some videos. So please check that, so you kind of know what you can expect. Now, once you customize these, there is some limitations. For example, you cannot have text on top of the special silver foil. It wouldn't look good, and it's not recommended, and we actually cannot do it for you. So it's very important, if you choose, for example, certain design, like here, for example, here there will be a nice silver lining on the butterflies, and this will be in silver, so you will have a special effect. We cannot really show you here on the image, but you can see it on the videos. Now, each of them have that. This one also, for example, has a special gold effect all over this that is very, very beautiful. And it's the whole planner like that. So it's one of my favorites, to be honest, this one. But you can choose whatever you like. Now here, what is really important, you cannot have the message go over where the effects are. So that's very important. So you are more limited on where you can put the message. So that's important to know. For example, if you customize this, if I would move this message to where it's allowed, for example here, and you can move it like that, and you can have a nice text here on the side, or you can move it here, okay, and then say I want it in silver and silver. So that's, for example, what you can do. What can you not do is move this element, for example here, on top of this silver lining that you could see on the picture. So that's something you are like here, for example, because then you will not have the silver effect, it will block, you will not see your name properly. So that's kind of why I need to make this video, to explain you this better, and you can really design the planner you like. Okay, so yeah, these are all the effects. The rest is all the same. You can choose your siding. So if you want silver siding, you will have that. So you're gonna have really create the most beautiful planner. So the only difference here is, as you can see, we almost have no embossments. The reason why there is no embossments, there is only a few, which is the Freedom Master logo, or this logo. So you can choose some, but it's very limited simply because we already have an effect on the cover. So you cannot just move it around, okay? So I hope this helps. It's a little bit of a longer video than I wanted, but I want to be sure that you know exactly what you're going to get, what you can expect. Now, please know that once we have processed your order, we're going to start producing it exactly like you have created it. It will take around 7 days to produce it. Then it takes around 1 to 2 days to pack and ship. And then the shipment time is dependable on the shipment time you have chosen. So that's kind of what you can expect. We will work on it with the tracking number, so once it's sent, you can just track and see where is your planner and how long it's going to take for you to receive it. Okay, I hope this has helped, and please, on these YouTube videos, you can post any designs you like. So if you want to make your own designs, or you found some cool designs, you can just post them in the comments, maybe with some links, or whatever you like. We will watch it. We would see what you like, and that's something we can work on in 2026. But I hope that you like the designs that we've created until now, and that you create something really beautiful for you to enjoy in 2026.